Hello, I'm just going to make a quick update, let you know what's happening with the second Game Center CX game. Let me unpause this thing here. Okay, I'm just going to walk you through what's changed since I last made any sort of update whatsoever. Okay, I'll use the speed up key just to get through the game as fast as I can here. These menus here, I'm having real problems trying to swap those things out. I'll need help with anybody that knows Tink. However, once I'm actually into some of these games here, a lot of them are looking quite nice. Let's see here. The adventure game, as I mentioned before. Blah blah blah, I'm skipping this. Okay, and all of the game itself, I'm not going to play through the entire intro again, but... Okay. Now, I'm not going to actually continue with theirs. This midway through, well, partway through the game, the adventure game, but just trying to show you that it does work. Now, let me go back to... yes, I have a touch screen. Now, I'm going to go to... sure, I'll go to Triotos. Okay, Triotos, the screen is okay, but the menu font at the bottom there, it's gray when it should be white. Probably some silly palette issue. When I get inside here, all of the text here, the descriptions, that's done now. That was... they're all graphics, by the way. Each letter is in its graphics, so I had to remap every one of them. Everything of that is done. However, in the demo itself, there's a few phrases in there. There's an explanation box there, as well as messages that happen during the demo that tell you what's happening. Those have to be done. I'll get to that. Where am I now? Okay, I want to... Okay, off. Okay. Now going through here, let's see, Whizman should be done. Same with the Muteki Ken. Demon Returns, there's nothing to translate. The Adventure is done. Gun Duels, I think that's okay. The second one's done. Triotos, as I say, I gotta do those bubbles. Guardia Quest, before I go on, Super Demon Returns should also be fine. Guardia Quest, that's the last major thing that needs to be done. Yeah, I'm hitting turbo, by the way, just once in a while. And now, I've got the intro text over here swapped. We sort of went back and forth trying to figure out how to get it to work and what phrases to use. This is still all up in the air. I've got to sit down and think about a better way to write this. But the text itself is swapped, so that's alright. And so, what I'm going to do now, just to show you what's happening here, where's the start key? There it is. And I'm going to start. Yeah, really original names, I know. Now, the intro itself, that's something I whipped together just so I could show you something. Another user, Kikuchio, is writing all of the text in the game, and I'm sort of playing with that and trying to put it into the game. The battle menus are the one thing that are sort of in there right now. They're a bit messed up, but I need to fix those. Kind of skip. Yeah, Twilight Town, that's nothing. In the original translation I was using the literal Tasogare, but I should probably change that to Twilight. Ducats, that's another thing. I need to change the money to ducats in a few places. Journal so you can save. Alright, you walk around, do all sorts of wonderful things. And the menu, I actually only just got this working today. I only figured out how to do that. It's a similar method to how the Triotos menus work. Each character has its own mapping, so to speak, but I sort of cheated and put 2 or 3 into one of them. It's kind of cramped in some places, but it all fits, so hooray. Okay, this all needs to be done. The battle does work, but it's a bit messed up. I don't want to show you right now. Where is it here? Okay. And if I go to the shop, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I'm going to select a game. Yeah, there's a mapping error at the bottom with the menu. That's probably because I copied it from elsewhere. I'm going to... Yeah, that cursor's all messed up. I'm not sure why that one is, but the other one in the game is fine. Yeah, I forgot to say, all the manuals, everything else is done. Oh, now it works. Wonderful. So yeah, I've got a temporary working title, but I show you that the titles can be swapped, so hooray. I guess that's fine there. I'm not going to bother playing with this one over here, so I'm going to go to... Go back home. La 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 la. And if I go down to the magazines, there's an extreme contrast on this camera. Yeah, all of the manuals, or sorry, the magazines are done. The manuals are all done too, by the way. But yeah, other than some checking and fixing up the text in here, these are all working, including the scratch areas to reveal hidden secrets and tricks. Yeah. Yep, so these all work. Great. And the manuals itself work too. On the manuals, I might as well just quickly show you that before I cancel or stop the video here, so it's getting long. Alright, it's the same thing. It's workable. Anyway, that's where it is right now. That's fine. There's a lot of graphics, little things that need to be done, but once I get the RPG done and working and playable, that's good enough to get an alpha version out to test, I think. That's it for now. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later.